These 6 exercises will help you build strong, balanced, aesthetic legs fast. No fluff, just the exact types you need to grow and define your lower body.
Slow to explosive squats. This variation of squats is designed to build both strength and power at the same time. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your chest up and core tight. Lower your body slowly for about 3 seconds, making sure your knees track over your toes and your hips go back naturally. Once you reach the bottom position, explode upward as fast as you can while maintaining control. This slow to fast tempo increases time under tension, which helps muscle growth, while the explosive phase improves power and athleticism. Aim for 10 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Avoid common mistakes like rushing the downward phase, letting your knees collapse inward, or leaning too far forward. If done correctly, this one exercise alone can significantly improve quad and glute strength over time. Forward lunges. Forward lunges are excellent for building balance, coordination, and unilateral leg strength. Start by standing straight. Then take a controlled step forward with one leg. Lower your body until both knees form roughly 90-degree angles, with your back knee hovering just above the ground. Push back to the starting position using the heel of your front foot. This movement primarily targets your quads and glutes while also engaging your core for stability. Perform 10 to 12 reps per leg for 3 sets. Focus on control rather than speed, especially during the descent. A common mistake is letting your front knee go too far forward or collapsing inward, which can strain your joints. Keep your torso upright and your movements smooth. Over time, forward lunges will help correct muscle imbalances and improve overall leg strength. Dumbbell sumo squats. Dumbbell sumo squats are perfect for targeting your inner thighs and glutes. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder-width apart and your toes slightly pointed outward. Hold a dumbbell with both hands in front of you, letting it hang between your legs. As you squat down, push your hips back and keep your chest upright. Go as deep as you comfortably can while maintaining proper form, then push back up through your heels. Aim for 12 to 15 reps for 3 to 4 sets. This exercise places extra emphasis on the adductors, which are often neglected in standard workouts. Avoid leaning forward or rounding your back, and make sure your knees track outward in line with your toes. When done consistently, sumo squats help create fuller, more balanced leg development. Dumbbell front squats. Dumbbell front squats are a great way to build quad strength while also engaging your core. Hold a dumbbell close to your chest with both hands, keeping your elbows slightly lifted. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and maintain an upright posture as you squat down. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or lower, then push back up through your heels. Perform 10 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets. Because the weight is positioned in front, your core has to work harder to keep you stable, making this a very effective compound movement. Avoid letting your elbows drop, as this can cause your torso to lean forward. Keep your back straight and your movements controlled. This exercise is especially useful for building strong, well-defined quads. Single leg calf raises. Single leg calf raises are one of the best exercises for developing strong and defined calves. Stand upright and lift one foot off the ground using the other leg to perform the movement. Slowly raise your heel as high as possible, squeezing your calf at the top. Then lower it back down under control to get a full stretch. You can use a wall or support for balance if needed. Aim for 12 to 15 reps per leg for 3 sets. The key here is slow, controlled movement rather than rushing through reps. A common mistake is bouncing up and down, which reduces effectiveness. Focus on full range of motion and proper muscle contraction. Over time, this exercise helps improve ankle stability and gives your lower legs a more defined look. Wallsit. Wallsit is a powerful isometric exercise that builds endurance and mental toughness. Stand with your back against a wall and slide down until your knees form a 90-degree angle, as if you were sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your back flat against the wall and your core engaged. Hold this position as long as you can, ideally aiming for 30 to 60 seconds or more. This exercise targets your quads intensely and creates a deep burn that signals muscle fatigue and growth. Avoid placing your hands on your thighs for support, as this reduces effectiveness. Also, make sure your knees stay aligned with your ankles. As a finisher, this is perfect because it pushes your muscles to their limit. Over time, your endurance will increase and your legs will feel noticeably stronger.
Stay consistent, train 3 to 4 times a week, and focus on good form. You'll start seeing results. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel.